Hey, Alaska. So nice here. There's like mountains everywhere. They're so beautiful. I just love it here. Of course, I'll be going back to Oregon, Portland, Oregon, soon after.
I have a lot of...
So pretty.
Here, Lucy, here's a lot of toys to play with too.
Do you have a shovel?
Yep. There's stuff in here. You took out a bunch of your stuff here.
People
Lucy,
are
here's
fishing.
I don't want dump truck.
Yeah, bring those. They're right there. They're with Orlando. They're going down. Now, Lucy, you need to wait for us, please.